Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation, and today I have a brand new designer for you guys today. This is Hangar 505. They do awesome scale layouts. This is going to be the FedEx Air Freight Ship Center at Denver International Airport. Absolutely amazing. Scale 1/400. This is my first time working with them, so I'm very excited. Without further ado, let's get this layout opened. Again, this is the FedEx Freight Center at Denver International Airport by Hangar 505. You can see they're from Nicaragua. Really, really cool. I'm very excited to get this open and show you guys what this looks like. Begin our journey of the Denver International Airport. All right, guys, I'll say this is my first PVC pipe model airport layout unboxing I've ever done. So let's get it open. All right, here it is, securely wrapped up. I really do appreciate Hangar 505's work and keeping things securely packaged, definitely. Appreciate a very long time of trying to get this wrap off. We're getting there, guys, we're getting there. Almost there. All right, guys, I finally got this thing unraveled. Let's get some good first impressions here as we roll this thing out. Okay, pretty cool. Look at the detail on this. Awesome. Really, really thin. It's kind of like a shiny matte. It is delicate. It can cut through. I did cut through it a little bit, unfortunately, and I was trying to get all the plastic wrap off. But yeah, guys, let's get this thing rolled out here. This thing is pretty big, but it's not big, if you know what I mean. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, see what's going on here, guys. All right, stand by. All right, guys, let me show that to you nice and fresh before I put anything on it. So you can see the Hangar 505 here, made in Nicaragua, Denver International Airport FedEx Ship Center. Really cool. I'd say other than like trying to get this thing out of the plastic wrap, it's pretty nice. Pretty good quality, I'd say. You can see the little rivets on here. I think it's really cool, especially for like a cargo mat. Really good job on this. They do make a bunch of other products as well, so go check them out. They do an absolutely amazing job. They do ship, I believe, worldwide. See some details here. I really like these extra details of like the satellite imagery. I think that adds a lot to it. At least for me, it does. Lots of little spots here to park your planes. I need to get some more FedEx 767s to add here. I do have a ton of the Jet Set models trucks, FedEx trucks, so we'll get those on here soon. And I do have a FedEx building being made, and this time this one's gonna be coming from custom airport buildings. So very excited for that. It's my first time working with them, so stay tuned for that. I think from now I'll put my Jet Set models cargo building up until that one comes. There'll be an exact replica of the real FedEx one that's here. So let's get a couple FedEx vehicles out here and we'll show you guys what it looks like. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, here we go. Feast your eyes on the FedEx layout. So I have the Fantasy Wings FedEx equipment here. I've had this in the box for like a year and a half now, so I've been itching to get it out. Absolutely amazing. It says FedEx on the side of those loaders. It's kind of hard to see, but there it is. And then we have the FedEx 777 here loading up. Jet Set models figurines here in cones. We'll be adding the Jet Set models cargo as well, but I've been itching to get these Fantasy Wings loaders out for a very long time now. Then we have the Jet Set models trucks as well as the cargo buildings. Check this out. We have an army of FedEx trucks getting ready for the holiday season here. Let's get a better view here. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Come back out here. Got a little building here. Really cool, guys. And here's a shot at the FedEx planes with the Jet Set models GSE. Honestly, it looks pretty good. Check it out. Jet Set models GSE here. Absolutely amazing, guys. Check it out. I love these little characters on here. That's for like full realism, especially the cones too. Here's another shot from the top, guys. Check it out. Like I said, I'm gonna have to add some more airplanes here, but upon initial reveal here, I'm very impressed. I'm actually really impressed. Great job, Hangar 505. We'll be a customer in the near future, so stay tuned. Go check Hangar 505 out, guys. I'll link them in the description. I did purchase this with my own money, though, but this is just another amazing artist for you guys to check out. So check out Hangar 505, check out Jet Set models, and also check out Fantasy Wings. So 3 amazing creators right here, guys. And of course, let's not forget Gemini Jets as well. Thank you, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting. Also Instagram and TikTok at Model Airport Nation. Thank you, guys. Happy collecting.